can't make it any more obvious. He was a punk and she did ballet. What more can I say? He wanted her, she never tell. Because she wanted him as well. And all of her friends stuck up their nose. They had a problem with his bad taste. He was a city boy, she said he is playable. He was good enough for her. She had a pretty face, but over the second stage, she needed to come back down to earth. Now she got home, she get a teen baby all alone, and all of her friends, Ramali, Mali,